So who will be the speaker in the Lok Sabha? Remember that we're bracing for another parliament session kicking off next week, but the suspense continues over the speaker post. As we speak, there's a crucial meeting taking place at Rajnath Singh's residence in the national capital, where you've got representatives of the NDA also present. Besides that, several senior BJP leaders, Manohar Lal Khattar, Dharmendra Pradhan, Kiren Rijiju, Dr. S. Jaishankar, have all in fact turned up for the meeting. Union ministers essentially. Allies also are there, with political parties, with NDA parties being represented in this meeting as well. The discussion is on the strategy for the upcoming parliament session, but importantly, it's also expected that there will be some clarity on who will be picked as the next speaker. Let's bring in Piyush Mishra, who's joining us live with more details on this. Even as the meet is underway, Piyush, any details that you've been able to pick up on who could possibly be in the lead, on any names, contenders for the speaker post?
Well, actually, there are many names who are doing rounds, like the name of Bhartrihari Mehta. Remember that he was with BJD and he had switched to BJP recently, and he has also won from Odisha. And the other name is of, in fact, Lok Sabha Speaker, the current Lok Sabha Speaker, Om Birla himself, because what we are learning from our sources is that BJP likely to reappoint him as the Lok Sabha Speaker, and there are other names also doing rounds, and these are the names from NDA. But sources are telling us that the BJP is going to tell to NDA allies first, and then only it will propose the name of the leader who will be appointed as speaker, or the contest will take place. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be basically announcing the name of the speaker, name for the speaker's post on 26th of June. On 24th and 25th, the new MPs will be taking oath, and then on 26th, the election of speaker of Lok Sabha will take place. And the top leadership of BJP is now mulling on this right now as we are speaking at the residence of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. There is an NDA meet which is right now underway. There are NDA allies from JDU.
And we've got some details coming in on that. Piyush, just stay with me. Even as the meeting is underway, sources have told us here on India Today that it is going to be, the speaker is going to be someone from the BJP. That allies apparently were asked, the BJP has asked allies if they have any name or suggestion for the post of speaker. Allies, however, haven't come up with any names. They've left the decision completely to the BJP. And there's been, in fact, a clear communication sent across from all of the parties within the NDA that they want Prime Minister Modi to take his pick and that they will back it 100%. There was a lot of talk, Piyush, that the TDP, the JDU, all of them are pushing hard for the speaker's post. Doesn't seem to be the case. In all likelihood, it's going to be a BJP face who will be the speaker.
Well, in all likelihood, it will be the BJP face only. JDU has made it amply clear that it is going to support the BJP's candidate. JDU has already said that we have a post vice chairman of Rajya Sabha. He is already with JDU, and that's why they are very much of the view that they are going to support the BJP's candidate for Lok Sabha Speaker's post. But contrary to that, TDP has said that it would want a NDA leader. So it remains to be seen what happens in this meeting. As we are speaking, the top leaders like of BJP, who are cabinet ministers also, like S. Jaishankar, Dharmendra Pradhan, Manohar Lal Khattar, the leaders from LJP like Chirag Paswan, Lalan Singh from JDU, and Ramohana Naidu from TDP, they all are present there at Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's residence, where they are discussing on the name who could be the BJP's pick for Lok Sabha Speaker post. At the same time, what we are learning is that the government does not want any kind of confrontation with opposition as far as the Deputy Speaker's post is concerned, and that is why the discussions with NDA allies are right now taking place. And then most likely when Deputy Speaker election takes place, the government would put forth the name of NDA ally. So we'll have to see who would be that face. But what we are learning is that Speaker's post is most likely to be with the BJP, and Deputy Speaker's post is likely to be from one of the key NDA allies, either from JDU or from TDP.
And it would be interesting if that actually can happen, because the opposition also is gunning right now, saying very clearly we want the Deputy Speaker's post, or we will fight for the Speaker's post itself. It would be interesting to see how that plays out. Thanks, Piyush, for those details. So here's what we've picked up so far based on what Piyush has told us about what really is happening in all of these hectic meetings that are underway, not just today, but in the last few days. You've seen several such BJP NDA huddles. The Prime Minister will go ahead and propose the Speaker's name on June 26th. Modi will then introduce the cabinet to the Parliament after the Speaker election. Now, the BJP top leadership also met with the outgoing Speaker Om Birla, which has sparked speculation of whether Om Birla will once again be picked by the Bharatiya Janata Party, by the NDA, as the Speaker pick yet again. Now, allies, as we told you, have been contacted by the BJP for their suggestions for names who they believe should be the Speaker. But the allies so far haven't proposed any names. They've left the decision completely to the BJP. Now, interestingly, the opposition also could contest for the Lok Sabha Speaker's post.